Assuming that it's expensive, so trying to do it themselves in-house and then putting the pressure on somebody else in the business to look after them, maintain them, water them, when actually you can get them a maintenance lease on them. And I think probably assuming that they're expensive, and then perhaps if they don't want the maintenance, going to places like IKEA and getting plastic ones where they don't quite look right.
I saw a project in Manchester the other day where we've got some living plants and they've had a fit out and they've just bought loads of artificial plants for all the shelves. And it's not a considered design, like you haven't been involved, I haven't been involved. Whereas that's what we're here for. We can make you work for the space and actually probably spend a lot less than, because you've got more wow pieces in there and it actually works for the design.
Yeah, and I think when you have a look at the costs, it's not actually not that different. There's not much in it.
No. And the cost of time, isn't it?
Yeah, and then you've got the overall support of design